Hi, this is Kay Lowry, and I'm really excited to share with you that I have 6 levels of a St. Patrick's Day song called Green. You know, kids these days have one thing on their mind at St. Patrick's Day. Am I going to get pinched? So I wrote a really cute series of songs about wearing green for St. Patrick's Day, and I have 6 levels. This is the pre-reading level, and I have all the way up through level 3, and I think your kids are really going to enjoy it. So here's the deal. I have made a video tutorial, and I think it's going to be over here somewhere where you can link to it, and you can listen and hear one of the levels and what the music is like, and even see a little bit of the sheet music. If you want this, I will give it to you for free because I would love to spread the St. Patrick's Day love. All you have to do is follow the directions in the description and send your email to me so I can just send you the PDF. And it's as easy as that. So hopefully you and your piano students will enjoy green. I think it's a fabulous way to celebrate the holidays.